showing you the world's easiest 3-card tricks. The 3-card tricks are called, the first one is called In Order, the second one is called the 21 card trick, and the third one is called I Know the Card. So like this video and comment in the description and comment below if you like these names for the card tricks or if you have better names for them. Be sure to comment those and tell me if you like these names. And without further ado, let's get into the tricks. So here's the first trick. So I have 3 suits here, the diamond, the hearts, and the clubs. I have all the royals from that suit. So for this, I do not have a spectator today. So I'm gonna do the magician's job and the spectator's job. So here we go. So the spectator would choose one of the suits. So I'm gonna choose clubs, and then he or she would shuffle it, and then place them down in any order they want. It doesn't matter. Then I'm going to choose hearts in any order they want, doesn't matter. And then last one, whichever is left. And then you will shuffle this one. And then you put it down anywhere they want, doesn't matter. Now now the spectator will choose how they want to put the piles together. So I want to put them like this. And then ask the spectator, how many times would you like to cut it? I want to cut it 2 times. 1, 2. And now I'm going to deal 2 piles. Okay? Good. And then I want this, so then the spectator will decide which pile they want on top of the other. I want this one on top of this one. And then I'm going to ask the clubs, hearts, and diamond gods for a really cool surprise. So here we go. CLUBHEARTDIAMOND. And then just make sure it's not anything magic. I'll go this way now. So CLUBHEARTDIAMOND. And then I'll just place these down just like this. So now, if the gods answered my call, all of the cards are now back in order. So this is the trick, guys, and now stick around for the tutorial. Hey guys, so this is the second trick. So for this trick, you only need 21 cards. So I don't have a spectator, so I'm gonna act as the spectator and the magician. So the spectator will pick a card. Let's say they pick this one. The card is the Queen of Clubs, okay? Then we're gonna take the card and put it anywhere in the deck, right? And then what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna deal 3 piles, and then the spectator would tell me which pile is their card in. In this case, for us, the card is in the 3rd pile, right here, okay? Cool. So let's take these up, and then one more time. Okay, it's again in this pile right here. Okay, so one more time. And now it's in this pile right here. Okay. Now I'm going to try to get a sense on where our card is. Okay, now I would ask the spectator for the first time, please name your card. And then for us, they would say the Queen of Clubs. There it is, the Queen of Clubs. So there it is, guys. And stay tuned for the tutorial at the end of this, at the end of the video. So this trick is on the easy side. So I actually know the whole order of this deck right here. So if I had a spectator, they would yell stop whenever they want right here, right? And then let's say they say stop right here, then I know what this card is. This card is the 9 of clubs. Let's go one more time, yeah? So here we go. And they yell stop right here, 5 of clubs. And one more time. Why don't we shuffle the deck this time? Let's cut the deck. Right? And one more time. You sure? Yeah, they say stop right here, 4 of spades. And one last time. And this card is the 5 of spades. So, to learn how to do this trick, stick around at the end of the video for the tutorial. So those are the performances of all the tricks I will be teaching you today. So here we go with the tutorials. So for this first trick that I showed you, it was called in order. It is necessarily a self-working card trick. So we will use all of the royal cards from the hearts, clubs, and diamonds suits. So let's find them. All right, so here they are. We got the Jack, Queen, and King from the clubs. We got the King, Queen, and Jack from the hearts. And we got the King, Queen, and Jack from the diamonds. All right, so let's bring them down a bit. And now, basically, this card trick is self-working. So they can pick literally anything they want. Let's say they pick diamonds, right? So, and they shuffle it up. They can shuffle it however they want. If they want to shuffle it like that, that's okay. They can even do a riffle shuffle, whatever they want. And then they place them in any order. Once again, in any order. It does not matter. Try not to influence them, because then it looks like it's suspicious. So here we go. Then they can choose another one, or you can choose one. It doesn't matter. They shuffle it up, and they put it any order they want. Shuffle, 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 any order. Okay, then they can put it on top of each other in any order they like. Let's say they put it like this. And then you ask them, how many times would you like to cut the deck? Now make sure you cut the deck, because sometimes people don't know how to, and it could mess up the trick. So ask them how many times. And let's say they say 2 times. So then one cut will look like this. That's 1. 2. And then you make 2 piles. Make sure you do this. It does not matter if you go right to left or left to right. Then ask them which one wants to go on top of the other. Let's say they say this one goes on top of this one, then you do that. And then basically this is all presentation. The trick is necessarily done, but this is also one of the hard parts. So you say like you will be reaching to the gods, whatever. And then what you do is you spell club, heart, and diamond. Not the plural, but singular. Club, not clubs. So like this. C, L, U, and then the last letter card goes down, right? And then you'll be dealing them to the bottom of the pile. So then the second one will be heart, right? And make sure you go this way for the starting. This way. And second time, this way. Third time, this way, okay? Cool. And then we go H, E, A, R, T. Go. T goes down because that's the last letter. And then D, I, A, M, O, N, D. D goes down because that's the last letter. Now this time you just say something like, just to make sure I'm not doing anything magic-y, I'm going to go this way now, so you go this way. So then it's the same thing. C, L, U, B, you'll put on this side. Then you'll do H, E, A, R, T, put it down. And then D, I, A, M, O, N, D. And now these 3 you don't have to do the club, heart, diamond, spell out thing. You can just put them down just like this, okay? Then the trick is done. Then you can do the reveal any way you want. You can snap your fingers, you can wave your hand, and they are all back in their same piles. So that is the trick, guys. If you like this, subscribe to my channel and like this video, and let's get on with the second tutorial. So for this second trick, this is called the 21 card trick because you only need 21 cards for this. So the spectator can literally choose anything. It's a free choice. Let's say for the tutorial, let's say they choose the 10 of clubs, right? Then it can go anywhere you want. You don't need to hold a break or anything, just nothing. And then you're gonna deal the cards in the just like the performance, right? And then what's gonna happen is they will tell you where the card is, right? And then so they'll tell you which pile the card is in, and then you have to sandwich the pile with their card in the middle of the other two. So our card's in this pile right here, right? The 10 of clubs, right? So what you have to do is you have to sandwich it. So you take this pile, then you put it on top of this one, and then you put this here. So that means our pile is sandwiched in the middle. Then we're gonna do this one more time, right? Okay, so then our card is in this one now, right here. So then this one's going to be sandwiched. Our card's in this one, so this will be sandwiched again. And now this is the fourth time. You can say anything to transfer into this. You can say like, I'm going to try to get a sense of your card. I'm going to find your card, whatever you want. We're going to do this for a fourth time. And then their card will always be the 11th card. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Of course, count in your head. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you can stop and say, what was your card for the first time? And then you show them that it was the 10 of clubs. So that is the 21 card trick. Like and comment on this video. And for this last trick, this is a really easy one. All you need to know to do this is you need to know this last card right there, okay? So how this is gonna work is, so at the starting, you can show it to someone by looking at this, or what you can do is, you can actually cut like this, right? And then what you can do is you can actually do that, right? And then while you show them that the deck is completely shuffled, because you cut it, right? What you do is you can take a glance at the bottom card. So you show it like this, you take a glance at the bottom card. Okay, and then what you do is they can say stop whenever you want. You can like walk on the cards like this, right? And don't make it look like you're looking at the cards like this, because that doesn't look good. They're gonna think like, oh, you know the card because you're looking at it. Then let's say they stop here. What you want to do is you want to just, these are the cards that are walked on, and you just want to slip this bottom card, or just like this, and you want to show it the 4 of spades, right? So let me show you again. So we show them that we cut the deck again, right? False cut, or whatever you want. Then the deck completely shuffled, 7 of diamonds on the bottom. And then you walk on the cards, right? And then what you want to do is, it's on the bottom like this, right? These are the cards walked on. You're going to just slide it off just like this and show them 7 of diamonds. Okay, so this is how it looks all in action. Queen of spades. Okay, so that's how the trick works. And that is it for today's video. Like and comment. And subscribe to All Things AR. Thank you for watching.